Hi guys, Colgate Plax Fresh Tea is a mouthwash, and in this video I'm going to show you its review and demo. So this is a 60 ml bottle and the MRP is 25 rupees. It's a tinted green color liquid. So to use this mouthwash, fill the cap to the line and rinse your mouth for 30 seconds. Just roll over in your mouth all over, gargle and then spit it out. Oh, you will experience an instant blast of freshness and the cooling sensation. Flavor is simply awesome, taste is mild, it's made from alcohol-free formula, so it doesn't give the burning sensation. It hit the right spot, leaving you really fresh and a lovely aftertaste. And yeah, it provides a long-lasting cooling effect that you don't feel like eating anything for at least an hour. And the fragrance is of green tea and refreshing. It's nice, but it's not a substitute of your brushing. You can use this twice a day after brushing. Now the precautions. It is not recommended for the kids under 6 years of age, and that is mentioned on the pack. Not recommended for kids under 6 years of age. And point number 2 is do not swallow, just rinse your mouth and expel. Pack also claims that it removes 99% of the germs. Don't know about all that, but yes, it gives you a long lasting fresh breath. And yes, for this price, it's a nice choice. Green tea with a burst of freshness. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.